Hi guys from Georgia, Tbilisi. I'm proud owner of a Mazda MX-5 ND and I found the problem to mount my GoPro cameras in the cabin of my car because this double tape doesn't work on Mazda plastic. I don't know why, but I found different solution to mount them on the in the cabin. This is a original GoPro base mount. It's called J mount. It's different, it's not base one. It's a little bit different. It has three small screws in here. It's the Phillips type. You have to unscrew them. 1, 2, 3. Unscrew them, and the distance between these two holes are the same with this plastic, and you have to mount it here and use some screws, not some screws, the same screws. I have already mounted it. You can mount 3 cameras or maybe 7, and it's very strong and very stable and very easy to mount it. You can mount it upside down or a different angle, 90 degree, or I will also add some video sample, and you can see it the view. Thank you very much, and sorry for my not good English. Bye bye.